flip the remote upside down and using a very small Phillips screwdriver, unscrew that teeny little screw. Now, push the cap to the exterior side and watch your battery escaping as far as she can. The battery is a CR2032. You can order a new one directly from the link in the description. Now, you see that little plus in the cap just right there? That means that the top side of the battery, the one that also has a plus on it, must be stick to that side. Like that. Finally, reinsert the cap in the remote. Test if it's working, then rescrew that tiny little thing in place. And we are done. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!